like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis, back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to a khasi song called Khynnah, and this video is a request from my dear friend Jovial, and he is the singer in this music video. Also Zimawlong is the singer here, so there are two artists in here, and I'm very much eager and excited to react on this one. And also I was told that Jovial's parents do watch my reaction videos, and I'm very much humbled that they watch my reaction. So thank you to your mom and dad for watching my reaction videos. So I hope you will like this reaction too. So without further ado, let's just dig in, dive in, and enjoy the ride, and check out what our brother Jovial and our sister Zimawlong has for us on the table, man. Let's get it. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family, and do follow me on Instagram. I follow back genuine followers. So let's just jump straight into the video.
Khynnah mynshuwa kini kita Juliakai ke
Jovial.
ni Juliakai ngap ha.
By the way, what is the meaning of Khynnah? I really want to know the meaning.
Tam tararam tam tam tararam tam tam tararam tam tam tararam tam. Hey Pavlok ngam nganya tu kana chapang ka jing le ka jong I ka po mynshuwa.
These kids are like, hey Joel bro, what's wrong with you?
Judon kapor banya bishmi abeng bakani kapro mentaom na nu joking tang shuwai na school bran bangia mare chasurorong jia le kaya ri abe kanu ka jing mujangi ya perta hasnong adang baro kumshi para kot kudi kodur bat so tingko temen rong basam langi ya lang baro kamtan be shangi gitai nong.
So I don't understand Khasi language, but I believe he's talking about, the childhood life, playing this marbles and all, and cards and all these things like what children play. He's talking about that, I guess so.
Kendong kajing mujabom la shisha ken banong Khynnah menta baki Khynnah mynshuwa habang apiyaki kila per shisha kum juru ko ne men para jonga sapsem padabla use da mobile data dia saja le kaya mare yari dei kum menta something called mau pointing can dock kill ding on the PUBG Free Fire.
PUBG Free Fire. And also he was saying about mobile data. So I guess he's talking about the youths who are these days they are into Mobile Legend, PUBG, Free Fire, COD, and all these other games. Back when Jovial was kid, he used to play other games like marble and those bhaga bhagi, they have to run and all those games. I believe so. That's what he's talking about. I don't understand Khasi, so forgive me if my interpretation is wrong. Also, the subtitle that we have is in Khasi language. Wish it was in English, but there's no problem. Language should not be a barrier for you to enjoy the music. So let's just vibe into it, man.
Daki đường chìm bao kỳ quạt ba giọt như bên lòng chỉ là cái thầm mai lai đi cốt u sai tên lai cái này cái đây cái way na playing cái chính là cái teng teng ya là cái man kêu ja.
By the way, this place is really beautiful. Oh my goodness, such a mesmerizing view. How great thou art,
Ka dot to kong ilia da snap so nyam tra ka dut barong li ngi klera do bata is la bis kwat kong ia pen long du ma da siap snaki ha ka por sin ka pen di kore da usen tiu bat usla tang shumar sin ya no kasi ya re jin ya le kai baju ong ready ha ba dum ya kin liang sakti ba inong wat in bak lai yang ngai ya pi sha e kum ka tu ka por pen wat menta tam kitu kisnem arajan mynshuwa shitinga ite chewinga med young temya samchi palok ti la balong ya sa ya le kaya mare yari dei kumta sorting ko mau point they can dock kill ding on the PUBG Free Fire niya kanya so bhang yar wire sa on gun jing kuslai đã kỳ điểm thì mau khi con ba rất những cái cực ya ca mùa bay tâm 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 tâm
Hey.
Tam taradam tam tam Lai di kut usai telai Man laka man ka hari mai Lakak sane karupa Man sha ine man shanga Kukun sim ali wan sum inai barit kapung Bretti sashi popin ka ali to wan shanga
Hey.
Nia po para tampal slap ni kanyam shawa le kwai do kli shalana Nia say mau tho ban sang so tin ko Nia mi sha suro nia dang de kanda Nia sha jele kai amare yari gay kuminta Sa tin ko mau point din kanda kill di undan PUBG Free Fire Nia kanya so bhangir wai yari sa dan din kuslai Tại kỳ điểm thì mau khi cất ba jot những chiếc tiếp ya ca mobile for
Khynnah. Hey man, that was really dope. You know, the music video was not that very high quality. Even the audio was, not that very good. But if they were given, the platform like a proper studio, they would have done it so well, and this video would have hit like millions and millions of views. Without a low budget music video. I mean, with just a low budget music video, they have achieved quite a big milestone. And yeah man, it was amazing. It was, you can vibe into it, and this is so relatable with the current situation, I believe. So PUBG, Free Fire, and also those games and all which children used to play, like they make this thing in, I mean, they make a line and then they jump over it, the kids will do. And also that stick and all, they have to hit these things and all. I used to play when I was a kid. I have played all those games, and yeah man, so it reminded me of my childhood also, and also of my village. I miss my village. And yeah guys, keep making more music videos like this. Special shout out to Jovial and Zimawlong, you guys have done a great job. And also shout out to each and everyone who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing man. And yeah, once again, Northeast for life. Here we go.